Hello, Crazytalk Animator 3 and Cartoon Animator 4. Now I would like to show you how to animate this rope. Yes, water flow like this and simple. And the first thing I want to explain you how to use PSD in Photoshop. First, because this sprite I made from Photoshop. Yeah, and with PSD. Okay, now I open Photoshop. Okay, I draw already and use a sample with this sprite. Yes. Okay, it takes time to draw, but you can do this. Okay, now I hide all of this, and I want to click one by one. You see. With this, you need to draw the whole water like this. Yes, draw whole water. Okay, in Photoshop, some of you can draw. So if I draw, it take time. Yes, you draw and pour a color you want. After that, you draw layer like this. One layer, you see. Okay, and another one. Okay, you just draw and put there. Okay. This one I have three water flow. This one. And for the circle you draw one also, yeah, and you draw this one. Easy. Yes, just separate like that, and you can use this sample to draw another water. Okay, and this little small one, okay, like a drop water. Okay, that's all. Okay, no, not all. I remember this one. Yeah, this water flow. Okay, this difficult one. Yeah, what I mean difficult. The first thing you need to draw this one. Yeah, you draw this one. That mean I control T and I rotate this one. You see, I rotate. I put the point there to rotate here like this. Just help me a little bit to see angle to draw or to animate this one. Okay, why I use this one? You see, I use this one to sample, and because I need sample when I drag and animate a loop with this one. Yes, like water flow. You see. Okay, I slow down to animate this one. You see water flow. See, I drag it back like this. You see that water and start. Okay, and start the first frame. Okay, a little bit, and start the first frame like that. Okay, again. Sorry. I drag it to frame 20 and I play a little bit slow, this one like this, you see, and I write frame 20, it back to frame 1, like this. Yeah, you see that. Okay, you understand now? Back to frame 1 like this. Okay, I will show you next step. This one, you see this one. Yeah, and we need to copy. And how to do this? Okay, it's easy. Just this one you draw already, this one, and you copy. Yes, copy one more sprite and you put there. Just technique this one, you put here. Okay, and you join it together and merge this here. You need this tool to create a loop of this one. Okay. You need this tool to you need to loop like this. Okay. Okay, when you get the image like this, you can merge by click this one. Yeah, click this one, click Control or Shift, or click two of this one, Shift. Yeah, when you click this, click Shift. Sorry, and select and click Control E, join together and see. Okay, now I delete this one because I have this one ready. Yes, just put there. Okay, and I put here, and I need to copy this one. Copy. Okay, the first copy, I need to show you this sprite and this sprite, just sprite, right? This one. Okay. This you put there, and this one you put this one. This water behind this one, and this water behind up to, you see. If you look this, you understand this easily. Okay. Okay, now I undo. You understand. You need to cut this one. How to cut? Okay, it's easy. Just click this one, the big one, and use this tool to cut around this one, and Control H, Control V. You see, you can get this. Okay, you understand. Okay, now Control C. Yeah, because it takes time to draw this one, all of this. Yeah, I don't want you too boring about to drawing. Okay, sorry. Okay, and continue. Now I duplicate this water flow, this water flow line water flow. Just double. That means okay, double. You see 2 and 2 copy. 2 separate this one. Yeah, it put in middle here and here. Okay, you see. Put in middle like this, put line in middle 2 of this like this. Okay, you understand. And okay, this color, I just right click and add the color. Is there's no problem, just color like the same. Okay, I group this one and follow structure of the Crazytalk Animator 3 or 4. Yeah, the same. Okay, just click any, just Control G. Okay, I name this Control G. Okay, Control G to group, and to Control G to Control G. All of this Control G. Yes, select and Control G, or click this one. Click this one with LED. LED and mean you. Okay, when I click this, you see it LED. You drag to the group. Okay, difficult. Just select and click Control and click G. Yeah, click Control and click G. Okay, shortcut key. All of this you need to make another group. Just call L_image. Okay, and you drag all this group. Select all of this group. Yeah. Select all of this group, drag to image. Okay, that's all. They're already ready. Okay. You're ready. And we need another one called OL_ pivot. Pivot mean middle. So what I mean, okay, when you click this one and you click Control T, you see this middle point. If you put here, you can animate in Crazytalk like this. You see, okay. Now I need to put middle, this one, into water flow. Okay, of a copy or water flow of group, this one, 2, group 2. I copy group 2. Yes. Okay, this easy. The first dummy, that mean I click this one called dummy. And it is red color. Okay, I draw again. Dummy, that mean this middle of all of this image, called rename it here to dummy. Okay, I just copy this one, group 2. I rename to group 2. Group 2 mean this one. Yeah, not that one. This one, group 2. Okay, I this name because it's a lot of group, difficult to remember. Group 2, this water. Okay, well, I want to change this one. Group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay, I need oh, wait a moment. Okay, group 3. I need group 3 to water flow. Okay, I need this name. Okay, because group 2 is behind this one, group 2. You see, group 2 that means behind of group water flow. This one, I need a water flow front of group 2. This water flow and the same, but water flow is front of group 2. Okay. Now I just rename this one to water flow. Okay, just only one, and that's all. I click save. Okay, you understand now? Just did like this and click Control S. Okay, I need a place desktop water test. Okay, so water test, I click this one, I click new. Okay, open timeline and import proof desktop water test, water test. This one. Okay, open. Sorry. Okay, now click this one. Okay, time to animate now. Yes, has no animate on. I use 20 frames to animate this one. Okay, if you wish, you can use 30 or 40 according to you. Yeah, I use 20 is okay, my default. I click this one for Deform Prop key editor. Prop key. The first thing I need to animate a line first. Yeah, line. I loop this one to check. Yeah, loop. When we use loop, that means it is very when we need to check animate like this. You see. Okay, now when I use a pivot, just you see, I can. Sorry. I want to change the correct one. The two. Here is one. No. This water flow. Okay, why we are like this? Because point here I'm not yet drag it to here. Okay, see, and forgot to drag. Okay, I want to correct this one, and how? I click delete this one and go back, and you click water flow this one. You see red dot here. The moment you drag like this, okay, not good, and you can drag it. Okay, I want to test this water flow 30 and point maybe around here. Okay, sorry. I will back now because my computer ran out low. Okay, sorry, low battery. Just put a plug in. Okay, this one maybe like this. I test this one. I maybe put here. Okay, maybe there. Okay, I put the red around here. Yeah. Okay, click save. Because water flow here, click save. Because water flow, this is different of this one. Yeah. and I go back to Crazytalk and import again water flow, water test. Okay, now I get this one. Go back. I got this animate. Okay. Okay, I click Deform now. Quick, I click this one for the flow. Okay, this one I need to animate. Okay, and now we need to this one, click reset all, and the last one, click reset all also. Yes, and the last one, the first one is red normal, and the last one we rotate this one. Okay, and we can, it's no problem when we rotate, just adjust this angle to the same of the this one, the middle of this one. See the same. Okay, when we drag the same, maybe yes. Okay, we can zoom in. Check is correct. Maybe around there. Okay, there. Okay, we look, we see water flow. Okay, we not yet use this one deform. Okay, now I use this deform. Okay, I close. Okay, it's very easy now. Click this one and click deform. I drag this one. Okay, adjust a little bit about water flow. Okay, follow that line. Why I use that sample? Because this sample is very good. Yes, when I have that sample. Okay, let's see again. No need to close. Okay, oh, this one hide it. I use this group tool to reference this one. Yeah, because we need to animate to right place. Okay, deform ready, and we go with the existing form. Okay, deform. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. Be careful when you click this. Careful. Water flow this one. We need to animate. This one. Okay, you can see here. Okay, without yeah. Just try to correct this. Okay. Maybe. Okay, again. Yeah, you see that animate is perfect now. Go back a little bit. Good. Yeah, like that, water flow. And we need to hide this one. Okay. We hide this one. Just click the first frame and drop to 0. Okay. It's easy. Oh, you see over there. It's no problem because we animate like this. It's okay. And we animate this one. Okay, I do quick now. Sorry to close this. Animate this one the same. Just first reset all and last reset all. And the last one we drag down. Click transform to can drag like this. Yes. and a little bit deform. Any change you wish, yeah. Okay, okay. You see water like that. And another, I do quick now because it take time. Reset all, and the last one, reset all. Deform, click. When we drag, just click the last one, okay? Frame, again, okay. And this one, first frame, reset all. The last frame, reset all. Okay, drag down. Oh, forget to deform another. No, forget this one to deform. Okay. Okay, this one. The first frame. The first is not here. Like water. If you have time, you can adjust this and another frame adjust. Yeah, you will see smooth animate like water flow. Okay. But now I do quick. I have no time to do this one. Okay, water this also. This one, the big one also. The first frame reset all, and the last frame reset all. Okay, and you can do deform the last a little bit change because water. Okay, change a little bit. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay, a little bit movement. Okay, because no time. Yeah, we have no time. Little. That's okay. When you look there, yes, it water flow is not. You can drag like this. Okay, and like this. Like this. Sorry. This first. This. Okay. Little bit like this. Okay. Another circle. If you can click there, you can click this one. This one H. This one. Deform. Transform first. Sorry. First frame reset all. Last frame reset all. And you can drag out a little bit. First frame in a little bit. Withdraw. Yeah, don't forget to deform. Yeah, look a little bit smooth. And another one. Okay, do the same thing. Okay, withdraw, deform. And transform a little bit bigger. Okay, now just smooth. Deform again. This one. Okay, and for water drop water, the same. You do the same, yeah. And fly, sorry, fly away a little bit. Okay, transform first. The first frame. The first frame we start there, and the last frame is the last frame we fly a little bit up. Okay, and deform this one. Okay, if you have time, you can do slow, and it would be a better result for you. Okay, change a little bit. Okay, it's mine. Okay, I think it's correct now. One more thing, one more. It's back now. I click reset all, this one. Reset all. I go to check this one. The middle. I want flow like the same. This one. Okay, this one. Down. Middle here. It's correct. Like this one. Okay, play a little bit where this one. Just okay. Now I think it's finished now. You can adjust this letter. Okay. Okay, I finished now. It's take too long. You see, and when like this. Okay, water flow, and you put click back. Okay, forget to collect clip. You click this one, right click, add to action menu, and start. Click OK. Okay, finish now. And we can right click to remove animate this one. We use it later if you want anytime. Just click prop and click custom to add this one to custom, and click OK. Click plus sign. Okay, just wait a minute. Water. Okay. When you want to use, just right click to start. Okay, after that, okay, you have a long frame. You click motion, you drag this one, click this one to loop. Yes, like I use loop. Okay, it run. Okay, I add prop one. I add prop. Okay, add prop there. Pie. You can find a water pie on Google. Yeah, and draw it one more. Number one. Okay, this pie. Just find place. Don't forget to click the first frame when you move or something like that. Play. Okay, a little bit this one. Back down a little bit and play again. Okay, I think it's perfect now. Let's see what to flow like this. Okay, now I finished this one. Thank you for watching, and I hope this you learn a lot from me. And the next tutorial I would like to show you how to animate a little spider and add action or motion, smart IK, sorry, smart IK, and alignment. Yes, alignment, or use auto align. Sometimes it align not working. How to do next? I will show you, because this is important. And when you use motion, it will just adjust or correct some of some feature of CA4. I play along with this, and it is very good when we try to animate a character, something like that. Okay, thank you for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. If you click if don't like, so just don't click. Just click like to me. Okay, Thank you. See you next tutorial, and I hope if I have any not hope, that means I try to find any new to do and important, yes, and to show you some clip that how to do. Okay, you can follow me along. Thank you, and thank you for Chris that he helped me to announce me. Okay, thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.